Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. For our new subscribers, thank you so much for joining this family. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome back to Elegant Fashion Tutorial. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful 12 pieces skirt. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now this is the fabric I'll be using for this tutorial. You can use a fabric of your choice. This is African print fabric. So guys, let's get started. For the measurement I need, the waist measurement is 37 inches, while the hips measurement is 42 inches. The length of the skirt will be 43 inches, but I'll go ahead and add extra 2 inches, making it 45 inches. So the length of this fabric is 45. I'm going to make use of the 45 inches for the length. Now for the width, I'm using 12 inches. You can see that this is 12 inches for the width. So guys, this is the easiest method you can achieve 12 pieces. For the waist, from my waist to my hip, I will mark 8 inches. So this is 8 inches. Then my knee flare, I want it to start from 3 inches above my knee. For the knee flare, it will start from 20 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark and join the lines. Now for my waist measurement is 37 inches. Divided by 12 will give me 3.1 approximately. So I'll go ahead and add extra 1 inch for the two side seam allowance. That is half inch for the seam allowance. So making it 4.1 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark 4.1 inches. Now I'll measure this edge, the remaining inches I have here. I'm having 7.2 inches. I'm having 7.2 inches, so I will divide it into 2. I'll mark it here and as well mark it here. So I remember I measured the remaining inches here. I divided into 2, mark it here and mark it here. By the time I measure this middle one, it will give me the 4.1 inches. So you can see that I've measured it is 4.1 inches. Now for my hip measurement is 42 inches. Divided by 12 will give me 3.5 inches, and I'll add extra 1 inch allowance, making it 4.5 inches. So I'll mark 4.5 here. So I'll measure the remaining inches here. I will divide it into 2 as well. This is what I'm having. I will mark it at this edge and as well mark it on the second edge here. So by the time I measured it, I'm having 4.5 inches. You can see that 4.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and join this point to the waistline with my straight ruler. Now for the new side, this is my new side. My hip measurement, I will minus 1.5 from my hip measurement. My hip measurement is 42 inches, minus 1.5 will give me 40.5 inches. So when I divide 40.5 by 12 inches, it will give me 3.4 approximately. And I'll go ahead and add extra 1 inch, making it 4.4 inches. So I'll mark 4.4 inches. Then I'll measure the remaining inches here and as well divide into 2. I'll divide it into 2. I will mark it here and also mark it here. So I'm having 4.4 inches. So I'll go ahead and join it together. I'll go ahead and join the lines together. Remember, my fabric is on fold. I'm cutting two pieces at once. So there is so many methods to cut. You can cut it one, you can cut it in two, you can decide to cut all of them together depending on how you fold it. Then from here, I will then extend it to the down part. Can see it. Then I will cut it out. Then I'll go ahead and cut off the second side. Now I will place this one as my pattern paper. I'll just pick one and use it and cut the remaining 10 pieces. Now for the last one, it will have a zipper at the back. So I'll add extra 1.5 inches for the zipper allowance. So I'll go ahead and join the lines together. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So this the last one is having extra 1.5 inches allowance. So guys, we have actually achieved 12 pieces here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it's very simple and easy to make. So just try yours. I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Drop your comment if it's helpful. Drop it at the comment section. Bye until I see you in my next video.